Picture time. You want to go play Ryan? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So this is tag with Ryan. This looks like fun.
Look at this monster shirt.
Monster shirt. Let me see it. What does it say?
Monster.
It says little and loud with a monster. Rah.
Uh-oh. Combo panic can't get him. He's trying to. I am good. What?
Oh man.
Let's try one more time.
Okay, let's try one more time.
Okay, let's do it again. Oh my gosh, I almost lose. I read right here again. 2, me jump. 1. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I want to play some Play-Doh. Let's get magic first. I need to get my card first. Magic! Magic! Make my card appear! Boom! Wow! Whoa! Cool. Let's go in here now. Let's go find out my Play-Doh. Yes! I found one! Yeah! I found one. Got it. I found no Play-Doh. I found one. I found one. Orange. I'll find some more Play-Doh over here. Let's see if I can find it. Let's do it. Green. I totally found it. Okay. Let's put it right here. I need to find some more Play-Doh. Stop! I found the next Play-Doh. Fall. Green found one. Purple. Great, found one, and now I can play with it. Let's go back. Go to my room. See you soon. Let's get out. Now let's play with my Play-Doh. What's so gonna play Play-Doh?
Whoa, you have lots of Play-Doh. Let's see what's in them.
Okay. I found Gus.
What? Can I see?
Look, Gus. Got this head. I got this looking at. Gus needs to get on the Play-Doh.
Gus, get out of there.
Gus, get out of there. What? Great, found Gus.
What color is Gus?
Green, like this?
Yeah, green like what?
Like the green, like their face. See? Looks green.
They match?
Yeah.
Whoa, good job.
Okay.
Out of the green Play-Doh, we got Gus. Let's see what's in the orange.
It's in here. It's Ryan Superhero!
Whoa!
And I washed it in the morning. I watched Ryan transform. Let's put him in the orange thing.
Okay. All right. So we got Gus, and we got like a superhero Ryan.
Great. And you see this thing though. Let me see some inside here. Let's see. It's inside. I think it was Ryan robot.
Robo Ryan?
Yeah!
It's a Robo Ryan.
Yes!
Let's see.
It's Robo Ryan.
Can I see?
He can fly. Robot Ryan. Robo Ryan.
Whoa, he's squishy, huh?
Look, there's water in him.
Whoa.
Because I can't squish it right now.
So we found Robo Ryan.
And now it's gonna lay down like crying.
So we've got Robo Ryan, we got Superhero Ryan, and we got Gus. What? Let's see what's next.
Well, get this out. What? I see his feet. It's a fly Ryan.
Flying Ryan?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4! Fly Ryan!
Parachute Ryan?
Yeah.
But wait, where's his parachute?
I don't know.
Wait, is it?
Inside here.
Whoa! Let's put the parachute back on him.
Look at Robo. Look at him.
Parachute Ryan? Whoa, that was cool.
He's gonna live on his Play-Doh. Okay, this is blue Play-Doh wet. Green, Fire Ryan,
Parachute Ryan?
Parachute Ryan, and green, wet Gus, and orange, wet Superhero Ryan, and purple, wet Robo Ryan, and everything.
I was stuck in the Play-Doh for a long time.
What did you say?
I was stuck in the Play-Doh. Where were you?
Uh-oh! Ryan is stuck in the Play-Doh! Ah! You need to save him! Okay, let's call Superhero Ryan! Yeah. Hero Ryan came to help him!
Get away from him. He's my prisoner.
No, I am nice Superhero Ryan.
No, get away.
No, I'm gonna save him! I am nice!
Get out of here.
I'm gonna save him!
Ah! He took my prisoner.
Yeah, I saved him.
I'm super angry.
No, that's not right. You got be happy.
What? You hit me. Now I'm super mad.
I'm flying now. Ooh.
Now you're stuck in there. You're stuck in there.
No.
Ah! No! My trap didn't work. What are you doing to me? No! I'm the Super Gus. Leave me alone.
No, you're nothing. What if your powers?
No!
And now gonna be a long time. You're gonna come back out.
No!
Wait, boo 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 boo. Ha.
No! Don't close me here. I was trapped in there for so long. Please, Jahmier, don't do it.
Stuck here. You're stuck in now.
Whoa, you guys are so cool, Robo Ryan and Superhero Ryan. You put away evil Gus. That was amazing.
Stuck in here.
Oh, we gotta help him. Let's save Superhero Ryan. Whoa, we did it.
And now we'll make lots of worms.
You gonna make worms?
Yes.
All right.
Wormy, wormy, wormy. Wormy, wormy, wormy. Great. Now let's do this.
Make it like a wiggly worm?
And we can cast the turtle. And then now we're going to put his eyes on.
Okay.
Okay, let's put it right here. I'm going to make a happy mouth. Head happy. I don't want to put it forwards. Make it sad.
You don't want to make it sad?
No. Happy.
Wow, let me see that wiggly worm. That is pretty cool. What's your worm's name?
The worm name is Waiko.
Waiko?
Yeah.
Waiko the worm.
I'm going to make a butterfly.
A what?
A butterfly.
Okay.
Let's make a butterfly with some 2 wings. One big one. This big. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's make a green body. Perfect.
Yes.
Oh no.
And then turn it around. Nicely.
No. Boom. Eyes. Happy mouth. Big, the butterfly is ready.
Wow.
Maya.
Mile the butterfly. Nice.
I'm gonna make a froggy now. Froggy's 10. Froggy's 10. Jump like kangaroos.
Oh, yeah?
Froggy arms.
Froggy arms?
Yeah.
I think froggies only have legs, but okay.
Froggies can have legs to jump.
Yeah, I think they have longer legs, so.
And them have some little arms to jump with.
They have little arms to jump with.
Yeah. Great. Now for Froggy. It's fantastic.
Looks fantastic, yeah.
And now,
Kind of looks like an alien.
no, it's not an alien. It's not an alien.
So this is your frog?
Yes.
Okay, good job.
Try and great. This over here.
What's your frog's name?
His frog's name is Dido.
Huh?
He's Dido.
Dido?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got Dido the frog.
And we get an elephant. Now his head. And now I'm gonna make a bigger body.
Okay, let's make your big body.
Because elephants can stomp. And they go,
Yeah.
and you can get the water out, and them can drink water, and them get lots, and get a big chunk. 1 arm and 2 arms. 1. Long mouth. Great. Happy.
Whoa, the elephant. Good job. High five. What's the elephant's name? High five.
YOLO Leech.
Yolo Lilich.
Yeah.
So the elephant's name is Yolo Lilich. We got Dido the frog, Mile the butterfly, and then Waco the worm. Wow.
See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.